What's up, guys?
What's up, y'all?
What's up? So today we are here in our garden. It has literally weeds and wildflowers have taken over one of our garden beds. We haven't been here for months and months. And so yeah, we haven't been using it, and the nature just took its course. Today we'll be planting cucumber plant and some other plants that I've had in containers for the longest, and they just need to go into the ground. And like I said, part of our garden is still doing okay because it's heavily mulched, so it's really kind of controlled a lot of the grass and weeds that tried to come up. Have a little bit, but not too much. So I'm going to plant the cucumbers and a few other things in the bed that's actually still alive, and then this graveyard here that the weeds and wildflowers have taken over. We're going to scrape all of that up and then try to plant some other things as well. So, come along.
Oh.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh. Old walls that I'm stuck.
So we haven't been out here watering or anything. We do that.
There's grass coming up, Mom.
Yeah.
So we haven't been here watering or anything,
So that.
and we don't really have a source of water yet. So, but look how moist this is. See how brown, how wet and moist that is, and it's all the way down to the soil because the mulch holds the water in. So
guys.
that's the whole point of the no dig garden, is to take it back to nature's way of taking care of its own. So that's what we're doing, y'all.
And guys,
Super
the good
cool.
part is about you see worms in there is kind of good because if you need worms in there, it'll get the soil gooder.
Oh, it's true. Good job, baby. Okay. You want to tell them what's up?
So, I just got everything planted. I did cucumbers and butternut squash in this row. I'm gonna cover it with some soil. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna cover it with mulch. And yeah, I still got my popsicle sticks. I'm just gonna.
So today we're gonna crack open the hive for the first time.
I'm so
we got
excited.
a smoker, we got other tool. We're gonna kind of get take this strap off of the hive, and hopefully we won't make the ladies too mad. So
I'm so happy.
you excited, mamas?
Yes, I am very excited.
Okay.
100 excited.
All right, here we go. So first we're gonna be a little gentle, okay?
Yeah.
Sit this here. Okay.
I feel like a girl.
Now I want you to stay for the queen.
Why?
And we want to see where she's at. Okay, so stay chill. Okay.
I am.
Shaking the hive up a little bit.
I'm a little bit scared though.
Just stay calm.
But whenever they go to me, it's like it's kind of scary.
Just relax. Just relax. Take this.
Oh, I
off.
think it looks like about honey. I think it looks like honey.
Get that?
What's that?
Big old spider. I got it. Man.
Is that a bee on top of me?
They're probably looking around.
I think they think about honey.
Like, who are these folks?
Cause I like you. I got this thing.
So, I'm just gonna move this around.
They're probably gonna be mad at us. Will they fix that crack?
Scoot this over. Just a little bit. Okay, here we go.
I think they're fixing up this.
See?
It makes them calm.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna open it up. You ready?
I'm ready. I can't wait.
Tool here.
I'm so happy.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of bees.
A little spider here.
Ah! It's a big one.
Okay, hold on, wait, no, wait.
Why do you touch them? It's very mad. Ah! Whoa, I was very scared of that one. What is that? Is that food?
Oh, we gonna see that's purple. But see that spider, that spider's been getting a few of our bees. Yeah, I don't like the spiders.
Yeah, they might eat the bees. Just because spiders are good for your plants doesn't mean they're good for your bees.
See our bees right there? See them hanging out?
I think they're making food.
You see now, if we see a wasp or anything like that, we kill it.
Like that wasp?
We kill wasps. But that spider down there. Okay.
Mosquitoes.
So now, here we go. Now we're gonna crack it open again. Okay. See, we did that. You kind of push them down some. See how the ladies went down a little bit?
Uh-huh.
Now,
You're a little down.
let me see your tool.
There you
now,
go.
Now we're gonna crack it open.
Oh, I can't wait.
Here we go.
We're gonna get some good things.
See, y'all stay calm.
I am. I'm so
Okay.
excited.
Okay.
Excited is calm. Look, I think that bee is dead.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Here
think
we
the
go.
spider been getting them.
Look at that. We're gonna be gentle with the bees like that. See that? No, don't pick them up. Don't pick them up.
I'm just touching them.
We'll be gentle with the bees like that. See?
I am. I just
So-
want to touch it.
We're just looking at the. Come on.
What
like
is that
this?
thing right there? What's
Oh,
that
the bee.
building?
That's a little comb right there.
Why is there making a big giant come on
So we're
there?
doing this.
Should let them down a little bit.
But look, see, they're real chill though. They're real chill.
They're getting next to you.
Yeah. You see that?
They're getting next to me too. I think she likes me.
So we're just kind of looking at them, kind of observing them a little bit. See what they look.
Pick it up, Dad.
So, so it looks like these are empty over here. So we're gonna check it out.
Oh, I see some honey on there. I think it's honey.
Okay, ladies. We're gonna scoop in like this. Grab first one. See?
What is that?
Yeah, right there.
What is that? Why'd
So-
they cut it?
They're making a cone.
Why are
So
they
we-
cutting it though?
Huh?
Why are they cutting it?
Well, they're pulling it out and stretching it, and they're making a honeycomb.
So you're making this all honey?
So we're gonna sit this for like this.
We're gonna let them make it.
Yeah. So we're kind of looking for the queen too, but it's okay. We really not go really work a little hard to find. So right now they're all kind of right here. You see that?
Yeah. I see a lot over here. Like a lot.
So they're kind of all right there.
It's my first time opening the beehive and I'm so happy.
Calm down.
I'm calm down. I'm happy at the same time.
Just let them calm down a little bit. She said, "Hey, what you doing? Mess with my eye."
You can't mess. Oh, I see a lot in that one. Jeez, look at that, Dad. Look.
Hey, look, I'm showing the screen. See that?
Yeah.
Right here.
That's a lot of bees right there. Whoa, there's a lot
Put
now.
on it.
It's my first time seeing it, Dad.
Yep, and now remember, we always want to put them back in the way we got them out. So we're going to have a lot more over here.
Whoa, they're everywhere.
Yeah, they're going to do that. They're going to fly around. Fly around and see what's up.
Oh, guys, this is awesome.
Yeah,
Whoa. There's a lot of bees in here.
here we go. There we go.
Whoa, one's hanging like that.
See?
Look at that. They're all hanging like
So
that.
we're doing this, we're checking, and we're looking.
I touched them, Dad.
Yep.
Can you believe it?
So we're
Oh!
also looking to make sure.
Dad, look.
Yeah.
A whole lot of bees.
Yeah. Look at all those worker bees. Worker bees.
I love bees.
They're cool. Huh?
Look at that one right there. It's like, hey, how you doing, man? Oh, girl, you.
Scooping back some. Now this next frame, we're gonna have a lot more. Ready?
is going to have a latte. We call it latte. That's very awesome. Trying to get some little dam, right? But we don't want too much.
Okay.
I guess they made it already like honey.
Mm-hmm. So, here we go. It's about to get real.
It's about to get real, dude. Is that sugar on top? A pollen. Like that little white dot.
Oh, this was heavy. Whoa, look at this.
Oh!
Oh, Dad's about to drop it. Uh-oh.
And look, there's honey.
I know Dad's about to drop it. I don't want to drop it. Okay, here we
So
go.
then the bees are going to be mad.
There we go.
Look at that, Dad.
We're
And
making
there's honey in there.
Yep, there's honey in there. You see it?
Yeah, I see honey.
Yeah.
They literally broke it down to make that. Oh. There's look.
No, don't touch it. Oh, that's raw.
Look.
Those are raw.
What's
Those
a
are
raw?
queens. Those are queen cells.
What are pizza?
Those big bubble ones right there. Those are queen cells.
That's why I wiped them away. Because I was trying to see what that thing was. I was like, what's that thing?
So that means I need to put another frame on here before they try to split.
What's a split?
Hmm?
What's a split?
Before they try to go to before they try to make another hive. So we saw raw jelly in there. Okay.
Raw jelly?
There was raw jelly in there, and then we have
I thought one fell off.
yeah. So there was some raw jelly in there.
What is that,
Yeah.
Dad?
Huh?
That thing with like holes in it?
That's another cover.
That's
So
cover.
it's just so it can have some, so it can vent.
That's a bait.
Huh? So
What's
so
in here?
so it can vent some air. Okay,
Does
Dad.
the queen have a dot on her?
No, she won't have a dot over here. Over here, these are all. This is a wild feral hive. Okay, that's what this is. Because it's hurting my back.
I love you, Dad. Oh, face got one on me. Oh, one was on me. It was like right here,
Look at
Dad.
that. Look at that. Yeah, that cool. Oh. See, you can see the queen too. I'm looking for her.
Why? She's very big, though. She's bigger than the other one. Oh, Dad, look. They made another one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're mad.
So they doing some comb there. We got some baby jellies in there going on. They're capping off some honey. I think they're capping off. That may be brood.
What are they doing to it? What's brood?
Hmm?
What's brood?
Brood is where they lay the babies.
Why are they laying babies when they're not supposed to?
Well, yeah, they're gonna always have babies.
The
There's always
queen
gonna
is
be
supposed
babies.
to do that.
Yeah, but see, they raise the babies. Okay, just come to the side so the camera can see. Okay. Sure. Okay.
Guys, this is so fun.
Yeah, we got bees everywhere.
Oh, it's flying everywhere. It's our first time opening here.
Yeah. First time walking in the hive.
Why is it white?
Try this.
Why is it white?
Try a little.
I think the bees are mad. Not going to cry. One bee's on me.
Yeah, just calm down.
They're coming on me.
Yeah, they're flying all over. Right now we're looking to see.
They're flying on me.
Yeah,
The one was right here.
yeah.
I'm a little scared.
What you think? So we'll put them down for now, okay?
Okay.
Think we did a good job today?
Why are we not going back in there?
Well, we just coming to check on them.
But Dad, shouldn't we get all the honey in there?
No, they don't really have the honey yet. So there's a couple pieces of honey. I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that second one on top. Because I see queen cells
But we
already.
have to look for the queen.
No, see, the thing is that we don't want them to make another queen and then they're gonna split the hive. So I gotta look that up and find out.
But
I
we need to
queen
see
cell
where the
already.
queen are.
Well, we know she's in here somewhere. I don't wanna mess with it right now. I think I got my feel of figuring out what I'm looking at. What you think?
I think it's
We're
a
gonna keep
horrible
looking.
day.
Want to keep looking?
Yeah, I want to keep on looking. Yay, yay, yay! I want to keep on looking. I can at least keep on seeing because it was our first time back. And I want to be able to see how it's going. Can I open this one? I like to hold stuff.
Wait. So, what you gotta do? Okay? So, we gotta do this. We gotta scoot this back.
Why?
Scoot this back. Move this around. Hold on. Yes. Break it up a little bit. Okay. Oh, this was heavy. Oh, be careful. Whoa, we gotta be careful because we don't know if the queen is on here too, so we gotta be careful. We don't want to hurt the queen, right?
Look, I see honey in there.
So that's called royal jelly. So this is brood. So this is where we're gonna put the babies in. If we look up close, we might see some babies in there.
I see jelly.
Yep. You see the cells? You see the baby cells? They look like little rice.
Oh, no, I don't see them. I see one in there.
Yep. This is where they're putting babies in. So the queen might be around. So
I can't see them because they're that big.
look, okay, look, that's a drone. These are drones.
What's a drone?
It's the big ones. Look over here. Come over here. Look. You see the big bees? Don't lay on my arm. Get my back straight. So they are big bees. Let me show you. Look.
I think that was a drone.
Look, that's a drone right there. Come look towards the bottom middle. Look over here by me. Look, so hold on.
Whoa! I'm not gonna cry at all.
You might see the queen, though. That's the queen. That's the queen. You see her? She's right there. You see her? You see the queen?
That's the queen right
That's the
there.
queen.
That's the queen.
That's the queen, Victory.
That's the queen right there.
Good job, mamas. You found the queen.
I found it all by myself.
Oh my goodness.
It's a
Okay,
queen.
let's get the queen back in there. All right, that means we gotta be real gentle because she's on this frame.
Oh,
We found the queen,
we
Victory.
found the queen.
We found the queen.
We found the queen. It was so big. It was like kind of orange.
We found the queen.
We found her.
Super cool. Okay.
I see honey over there.
All right, so now,
Is that-
oh, that's honey right there. See? Some
I
of
see
it all?
honey right there.
Yeah, we're not gonna get it though.
I don't know if
Okay.
I'm
Now let's put this back.
They're all going on me. They're all going on me. They're all going on me.
Okay. There you go. See?
Those are creepy whenever they sneak up on me. They're going on right for me.
Okay, we found the queen, Victory. Good job.
I want to keep on looking at these.
No, that's it. We know where the queen's at, so we want to put this back over here. Because we do not want to hurt the queen, right? We don't want to hurt the queen.
No. Why is it yellow? Why is it white?
Some of them are different colors.
I see honey in there.
Yep. No, some of it fell off and we was moving it around.
Some honey.
We found the queen. We saw some drones. So the drones are the guys.
Yeah, the one where are big, like you. You're
Okay.
right there.
There we go. Now we're
I
gonna take
think
this
that
one.
was the drone.
Oh, wait, put it back one more.
Oh.
Fine.
I want to keep on going, Dad.
Yeah, that should be there. And so we found the queen. We just want to check and look at the queen. So she's a young queen. So she's not really old. So that's good. Now they're getting a little pumped up, huh?
And like, pumped up, party time. I want to take people up
Here,
there.
look, we'll scrape some of this off though. Here,
Let's put that on.
look at this. This right here.
Oh, I want to do that. I want to do that, Dad.
Do it? Okay. You gentle. But be careful with the other bees. Scrape a little bit of up. We'll lay it flat. Flat, okay, there you go. And push it. You kind of wiggle it. There you go, wiggle it a little bit. You get there's your first wax. Good, grab it. Grab your first bee wax.
Oh, no.
Let you hold it. Put it in your pocket. That's your first
Just put
beeswax.
it on there.
There's your first beeswax.
I found it, Dad.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is that beeswax?
No, that was a little sort.
Cocoons? That can't be good.
Yep.
What do I spray down now?
Try to work this. Okay, hold on. Maybe that's gonna go for smoke.
Look at that.
No, it doesn't hurt. There you go.
I don't spray down
No,
good.
no, no, no. Oh, no, that's not really that much spray. It's just, it's like a cone. Hold on.
Oh, calm down.
That's it.
These ones are coming out. I'm trying to pick one up.
Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's go back.
I'm gonna try to get one.
Sucky smoke. Well, we're not trying to just pick them up. We don't want to just pick them up, baby. No. Victor, we're not trying to, because you can hurt them. Each one of those are bringing honey, bringing pollen and honey, pollen and stuff we need to make honey. Victory, you did cool. You found the queen, Victory.
And I even found the honey.
Yep, you found the honey. Okay, so Victor, what did you think about opening your first hive?
Well, the first thing about is I found the queen, and I even found the drones, and I even found some honey, and I found the wax.
Yep, good job, mamas. Good job.
I
So,
know.
wow, it was super cool. We actually found the queen on the third to the last frame. Now, what I did see is that I did see some other royal, some other queen cells that were kind of like a peanut kind of thing. So I seen that, and I want to. I got to do some research about that because that's making me a little nervous that they might want to split. So we're probably going to go ahead and move the hives. Add another super on it. But I think these got a little aggravated. They're coming after me. So yeah. So we're going to.
You see a bee on me? You see a bee on me?
So we're going to. So we're going to be figuring out what's the deal. I'm gonna figure out what to do before this thing split. Probably gonna end up putting another deal on top of it. So I think. So I'm gonna do some research and find out before, because I don't know. I just seen two queen cells, and we want to make sure that this hive does not split on us. So we want to give them some room to grow and not split on us. So we'll do some research and come back and let you know. But this is our first time cracking open a hive. Welcome to Thomas Fabulous Life. We're beekeeping it over here in Victory's Apiary. Boom. Let's do this. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all on the other side.
Yeah, ha.
Oh, look, they're starting to beard a little bit.
What beard?
They're coming out a little bit.
Oh, they're coming out more and more.
Yeah.
I wish we can do the horn.